Hello, I'm Haley Morrison. The job I chose to look further into is non-university counseling and guidance center. I chose this because I know that I want to do counseling and I know that I just don't want to do it in a school setting. So the responsibility is you work with individuals, groups, or communities to just help improve overall mental health. You encourage your clients to discuss their emotions, experiences, some of the issues that you would examine or further delve into includes substance abuse, bullying, anger management, depression, self-image, stress, other issues such as that. The job description that I found that fit the most and the education you have to have. You generally have to have a master's degree in order to do this. Um, and then the job description would be a mental health practitioner is someone who specializes in treating patients with emotional crises, um, stress, anxiety, or behavioral disorders. My 4-year plan does not include going and getting a master's yet because I am in my second semester here at BYUI. So there's not really a strong correlation. Um, I'm hoping that sometime in the next 4 years I will either be in graduate school or at an internship. And that's me, said to put personal picture. Um, why psychology? So I decided I actually wanted to do psychology when I was in seventh grade. I just knew that I wanted to help people, and psych seemed like the best kind of way for me to do that because I'm not super interested in the medical field. Um, so some of my reasons that somewhat lined up with interests and reasons in chapter 13 were that I had a really strong interest in psychology and that I wanted to become a counselor, which I tied in with a professional psychologist, even though I know that doesn't exactly line up. A couple of the things that I didn't think about was that it would be a good undergraduate degree or that having a bachelor's in psychology would prepare me for getting a job later on. And that's it. Thank you for listening.